Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm walking you through a custom RuneScape overlay tool I built in Python, using PyQt 6 for the UI and PyAHK for automation. This is all part of my 2004Scape automation series and it's getting fun. Let's jump into the core of it. The file we're working with is overlay.py. It builds a transparent overlay window that sits above the 2004Scape client and visually shows boxes for key areas, inventory slots, ground tiles, dialogues, and the wizard NPC. These box positions are stored in a JSON file called runepositions.json. When the app loads, it pulls the positions in and draws rectangles on screen. That means you can adjust them visually and they'll get saved automatically after. If I hit Shift, it puts me into edit mode. I can move or resize any of the boxes by dragging them. As soon as I let go of Shift, it exits edit mode and writes the new positions back to the config file. This makes tweaking super fast and visual. Now for the cool part, if I press Ctrl+M, a macro sequence triggers, and it uses PyAHK to simulate some real RuneScape interactions. So here's what happens in the macro. It right-clicks the inventory box and drops the runes. Then it talks to the wizard, clicks through the click to continue dialogues 6 times. Finally, it clicks the ground tile to pick up the runes I originally dropped. This sequence is defined in a function called perform macro sequence. And it's super clean. Each click goes to the center of the box we defined visually. There's even a delay system with randomized sleeps before actions. This helps mimic human input and avoid obvious bot behavior. Now, if I open m.py, it's just a simple script that runs in the background and presses Ctrl+M every 11 to 15 seconds. So it basically automates the macro with human-like intervals, perfect for hands-off automation testing. As for usability, it's all in PyQt. I made sure the overlay is frameless, which means that it always stays on top and is click-through when not in edit mode. That way, it won't interfere with normal gameplay unless you want to move the boxes around. The structure is built around a custom box class. It handles drawing, hit detection, dragging, resizing, and saving, all encapsulated neatly. And honestly, this project's become way more than just clicking things. I'm starting to see it as a reusable system, kind of like a RuneScape automation sandbox. In the next video, I'll probably go over how I plan to add more functionality to the current overlay. Anyways, hope this breakdown helps. If you're building something similar or want to collaborate, feel free to reach out. I'll go ahead and make sure that I upload the code on GitHub and share the URL in the description of this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.